Okay, check this out. The Forest River No Boundaries 20.5 with Beast Mode is crazy lightweight, which means you can tow it with a lot of 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder vehicles. The chef is going to be very happy here. The fully equipped front kitchen makes cooking easy. You've got a big sink, microwave, and stove. So yes, real meals are absolutely possible. Hang out at the breakfast bar on one of the 2 stools and keep the chef company. Or just offer moral support. There's plenty of storage everywhere for camp gear, personal stuff, and all the things you said you might need. Plus, a larger refrigerator because snacks are important and running out is unacceptable. The theater seating is so comfortable, you could sit back and read the newspaper. Or, let's be honest, take a nap. The walk-through bathroom has everything you need to freshen up after a long day of adventure. Whether you're rinsing off the trail dust, getting ready for dinner, or just splashing some water on your face to feel human again, this bathroom makes it easy and comfortable, not cramped or awkward. Step right into your own space with a comfortable queen bed that's perfect after a long day outside, and a big window that floods the room with natural light. It keeps the space open, bright, and welcoming. Because, let's be honest, waking up feeling like you're in a cave is totally overrated.
At Sutton RV, you're gonna like it here.